Judge Vanderbeek Court is now in session. Judge, this is the case of Bridges.
Thank you.
Yes.
You all may be seated. Mr. Bridges, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
I found out that she has a little bit more money, and I wanted a little bit more for the child.
Okay. How old is the child?
12.
How did you find out she had more money?
The child told me.
What? You asked the child or the child told you?
Oh, the child told me. Came back from visiting with her and is like, Mama has more money.
What? Where did he say this money came from?
He didn't tell me. He kind of only heard little bits. I think it's from the life insurance policy that she has, and only way I think that is if she got a loan. Oh.
Ma'am.
He's lying.
Ma'am, when I get to you, you'll have your opportunity to speak, okay? So, the child said life insurance?
Yeah, they said something about like life, so I'm guessing it's a life insurance policy, and the only way to really do something with that.
When did he tell you this?
Wait. Hold on one second, sir.
Yes,
let me let you know how this goes, okay? I do all the question asking. You address me. Do not address each other. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you. Now, is there anything else you want me to know before I move over to her?
I mean, the child did tell me what he believes she was using it for.
What did he say she was using?
This case uncovers a shocking truth. A mother accused of draining her own child's finances to fund a luxury lifestyle. The most damning evidence? Her child's own words. But that's just the start. When confronted, she denies everything. Until she suddenly admits to taking out a $30,000 loan. Is that the full story, or is there more she's hiding? As the courtroom hangs on every word, the judge's reaction to the twist is nothing short of jaw-dropping. Buckle up. This story's just getting started, and it only gets wilder from here.
No.
Purses?
Purses?
Yes.
Purses? What kind of purse? Like the one she has on the table there?
I don't know purses, so I can't say. I just know that he said Mama's got new purses.
Oh, okay. So Mama, tell me about these purses.
What? I'm an interior designer, so I have to make sure that I match with everything I wear.
Okay, and you have to make sure that you have the money to buy that, right?
Well, I go bargain shopping.
Okay.
There's a lot of good purses out there, but I go shopping for my son too, so, I don't know what he's talking about. I don't know what he's saying.
So you're saying that your son didn't tell him that you took money out of a life insurance policy?
No.
Well,
No,
let me ask you
I don't
this.
think so.
Did you take money out of a life insurance policy? It's
maybe.
a yes or no.
This is where it all starts to unravel. The child comes home and without any prompting, spills everything. That's not something AI kid just makes up. Children don't lie about sudden money appearances unless they've seen something with their own eyes. And let's be honest, if a kid notices a parent suddenly rocking a bunch of new designer purses, something's off. The dad knows it, the judge knows it, and now Mom's cornered. She's got some serious explaining to do, and
Lying then. You called him a liar. He's not lying about that. You took money out. How much did you take out?
$30,000.
$30,000 out of a life insurance policy to buy purses? What kind of purses are you buying?
A lot of purses.
Like what? What kind of bag is that?
It's a Michael Kors.
Okay, you know what? You obviously came here to waste my time. You did. As an interior designer, how much money are you making?
I'm not making.
That was not
matches
my
what he said.
question. As an interior designer, how much money are you making?
$60,000.
$60,000. So you took out a loan against a life insurance policy for $30,000? That's half of what you make as an interior designer. And you did it to buy bags. You didn't do it to spend on this child. Who does the child live with?
Him.
Child lives with him. And has she given you any money additionally for the child?
No.
Ma'am,
I've
what
given
do
him
you have
some.
to say about that?
He's lying. Puro mentiras. You're just lying.
I don't even know what you just said, so I'm not going to even entertain it. Let's talk about the monies, okay? So, at $60,000, I'm going to calculate your gross for that. And I'm also...
Did she really just say she's an interior designer and has to match her outfits? Sure, presentation matters, but at what cost? We're talking about $30,000 taken from a life insurance policy. Not a bonus, not a gift, not an inheritance. This was money meant for emergencies or the child's future, and she downplays it by calling it bargain shopping? Come on. If you have to take out a loan just to fund your accessory collection, something clearly isn't adding up. That's not style, it's financial recklessness. $30,000 gone and we're supposed to believe it was justified?
Where's that money housed right now?
It's in my account somewhere.
So, don't play with me. In your account somewhere. In like a bank account sitting? You're not doing anything with it?
It's somewhere safe where he don't need to be touching it.
You know what? Well, he's definitely getting ready to touch it because I'm getting ready to do these numbers. The $60,000 a year, I have your gross at $4,800. Your net for that is $3,935.18. Then on that $30,000 that you have in a safe place, the gross is $2,500. I have your net, let me make sure this is right, $2,144.63. Total net of $6,079.81. Who carries health insurance for the child?
I do.
Okay, how much is health insurance?
About 120.
120, okay. Is that for you and the child or for the child only?
Child only.
And there it is, the moment the judge loses all patience. As soon as that $30,000 figure is mentioned, the entire mood in the room shifts. Watch how fast the judge checks the mother's attitude. No more interruptions, no more dodging, just straight up facts. And when asked what the money was spent on, the best she can come up with is purses. That's when you know it's over. Judge Von Deb is done playing around and you can see it all over her face. This isn't just a bad look. It's a total meltdown.
Here, you did not ask for medical reimbursement. I'm just going to have you continue that coverage, okay? You continue the coverage for that. And then at a later date, we may entertain reimbursement for her, but you didn't ask for it today, okay?
Understood.
So, net $6,079.81. That bring your child support amount to $1,215.97.
I mean, ugh.
You have anything else to say? You want to tell me about some more money you have in a safe place so I can make that child support amount go up?
No, I don't.
Okay, so you don't have anything further then, I'm guessing, right?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, do you have anything further, Mr. Bridges?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, well, you all are dismissed.
This ruling? Brutal. But let's be real, it's completely fair. The judge breaks down every dollar with laser precision, making sure the child gets exactly what they're owed. And let's not overlook how quickly mom tries to play clueless about the money, saying it's somewhere safe. Girl, the only thing safe now is that child's financial future, thanks to the judge stepping in. The final child support order, $1,250.97 per month. And honestly, after everything that's come to light, that's the bare minimum she should be paying. So what did we learn today? Child support calculations don't just depend on your salary. If you're taking out loans against your assets, that money counts too. Judges do not play when it comes to financial responsibility, especially when a child's well-being is on the line. If you think you can blow $30,000 on designer purses while dodging your legal and moral obligations, be ready to get called out, loudly and publicly. Was the ruling fair? We think so, but we want to hear from you. Drop your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more courtroom drama breakdowns.
Just wanted to go over what this segment would cover and how the different scenarios interact with child support under Texas law. I want to go over what you guys just watched in the Bridges case. So, I work a regular job, but I also took a loan out against my life insurance policy. Do I still have to pay child support based on that loan that I took out? Under Texas law, that is very much so the case. Under Texas law, you can be obligated to pay child support on income that is not even producing any money. So if you have assets that are sitting in an account, you take out a loan against your life insurance policy as you saw here, you can be ordered to pay child support on top of paying child support based on the salary that you make every year. That's how it is, folks. Do you know of anyone who's experienced a similar situation? Be sure to subscribe to our channel and make sure you comment below. You never know, their story may end up as a scenario on our show. After all, these kids aren't raised on air alone. Support